Have you ever wondered why a simple yawn can spread through a room like wildfire? Get ready to dive into the fascinating science behind one of humanity's most contagious behaviors. Every day, we yawn about 20 times, but the real question is, why? Let's unlock this mysterious phenomenon together. When we yawn, our bodies go through an interesting process. We take in a deep breath, stretch our jaw muscles, and experience a moment of satisfaction. But there's much more happening beneath the surface. Scientists have discovered that yawning helps cool our brains. Think of it as a natural air conditioning system for your mind. The deep intake of air brings fresh blood flow to your brain, helping regulate its temperature. But that's just the beginning of this intriguing story. From an evolutionary perspective, yawning might have served as a way for our ancestors to stay alert. When one member of the group yawned, it signaled others to remain vigilant, a prehistoric group survival mechanism that's still with us today. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: why yawning is so contagious. Have you noticed how seeing someone yawn or even reading about yawning right now might make you yawn? This is where things get really interesting. Contagious yawning is linked to our capacity for empathy. The same parts of our brain that help us understand and connect with others are activated when we catch a yawn from someone else. It's like a silent form of social bonding. Recent studies have shown that people with higher levels of empathy are more likely to catch yawns from others. Even more fascinating, this contagious effect isn't limited to humans. Dogs can catch yawns from their owners, showing the deep connection between species. But here's something that might surprise you. Babies don't catch yawns until around age 4 or 5, when their social awareness develops. Scientists have also found that yawning isn't always about being tired. We yawn when we're bored, stressed, or even excited. It's our body's way of staying alert and regulated. Athletes often yawn before competitions, and students might yawn before exams, not because they're tired, but because their bodies are preparing for action. Understanding yawning has practical applications too. Changes in yawning patterns can be indicators of various medical conditions, making this simple act an important diagnostic tool. Some researchers even suggest that yawning helps us switch between different states of alertness, like a natural reset button for our brains. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, you're not just tired. You're participating in an ancient, complex behavior that connects you with others and helps keep your brain functioning at its best. From temperature regulation to social bonding, this simple act tells us so much about human evolution and behavior. Isn't science amazing?